Most English learners only know Merry Christmas, but real Americans use so many natural and meaningful Christmas phrases in everyday conversations, at home, at work, in stores, with friends, and even with strangers. Today, I'm going to give you 100 real Christmas lines Americans actually say, and you're going to sound more confident, more fluent, and more native by the end of this video. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Speaking Pro. It's Christmas time, and today I'm going to teach you how Americans really talk during the holiday season. Christmas is not just a religious or cultural event. For Americans, it's a warm, emotional time. People reconnect with family, travel long distances, share food, exchange presents, decorate their homes, and there's this magical atmosphere everywhere. So today, I will speak to you naturally, fluently, and clearly, as if we're sitting in a living room in America during Christmas. To start, when people greet each other, they don't just say one phrase. There's a whole vocabulary. Americans say things like Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Season's Greetings, Hope you have a wonderful Christmas, wishing you warmth and joy this holiday season. I hope Santa treats you well. Enjoy the festive season, sending you love and cheer this Christmas. Have a magical Christmas. May your Christmas be filled with happiness. These phrases help you naturally connect with others during the season. They feel warm, friendly, and kind. Now, during this season, small talk is very big. People ask each other about Christmas plans. In America, one of the first questions people ask is, "Do you have any plans for Christmas?" This is polite, curious, and friendly. Others might ask, "Are you traveling for the holidays? Are you spending Christmas with family? Do you celebrate Christmas back home? Are you hosting Christmas dinner? Are you having guests over? Are you going anywhere for the holiday break? What's your favorite part of Christmas? Are you doing any gift shopping? Are you getting a Christmas tree this year?" These questions create conversation and connection even with coworkers or neighbors. Now let's talk about gifts. Gifts are a big part of Christmas. Americans often exchange presents on Christmas morning, and when someone gives a gift, the other person reacts with emotion and gratitude. They might say, "Did you get any gifts this year? What did Santa bring you? I hope you like your present. You didn't have to get me anything. This is so thoughtful, thank you. I absolutely love it. I've been wanting this for a while. This means so much to me. You're too kind." This is the perfect gift. You will sound so natural using these expressions. Americans appreciate genuine reactions. Decorations are also huge in America. Many houses compete to have the best lights. So people say things like, "We put up our Christmas tree last week. We decorated the house with lights. We're hanging stockings over the fireplace. We're doing a secret Santa at work. We're baking cookies for Santa. We're visiting family on Christmas Eve. We're watching Christmas movies tonight. We're opening gifts in the morning. We're taking family photos for Christmas cards. We're going to Christmas Mass." These phrases show familiarity with American customs, and people appreciate that awareness. Now, let's talk about the atmosphere. When you walk outside in America during Christmas, everything feels joyful. You might say, "The city looks beautiful with all the decorations. I love the smell of pine trees everywhere. The holiday spirit is in the air. Christmas music is playing everywhere you go. The malls are packed with shoppers. Everyone seems so cheerful. The streets look so festive. I love seeing all the lights at night. Kids get so excited this time of year. This season just feels magical." These lines reflect the emotional vibe of the season. Now, food. Americans talk about food all the time during holidays. Christmas food discussions are very common. People might say, "Are you cooking Christmas dinner?" "We're making roasted turkey." "We're having mashed potatoes and gravy." "We're baking gingerbread cookies." "We're making hot chocolate and eggnog." "We're having a potluck dinner." I ate way too many sweets. The food smells amazing. Everything tastes incredible. I'm so full I can't eat another bite. Nothing is more American than overeating at Christmas and laughing about it afterwards. Movies are another classic part of Christmas culture. People love talking about them, quoting them, and referencing them. You might hear, "Are you watching any Christmas movies this year?" Home Alone is a classic. Elf always cracks me up. The Polar Express never gets old. We're having a Christmas movie night. We're going ice skating tomorrow. We're building a snowman in the yard. We're going to look at Christmas lights tonight. We're wrapping presents this evening. We're finishing last-minute Christmas shopping. These phrases show authentic seasonal behavior. Now let's talk about texting and messaging. Christmas messages often include warm, cozy energy. You might text, "Merry Christmas, hope you're having a cozy holiday. Enjoy every moment, you deserve it." Sending hugs and warm wishes. "Can't wait to see you after the holidays." "Have fun with the fam." "Stay warm and have a beautiful Christmas." "Eat lots of good food for me." Sending positive vibes your way. Let's catch up next week. These feel personal, modern, and personable. As Christmas transitions into the new year, Americans combine greetings. People often say, "Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope next year brings you joy and success. Wishing you new beginnings and fresh opportunities. Here's to an amazing year ahead. May this next year be your best one yet. See you in the new year. I'll talk to you after the holidays. Enjoy the rest of the year. Let's start the new year strong. Have a blessed and prosperous new year." These phrases build optimism and forward-thinking energy. And then the fun phrases. Americans joke a lot during Christmas. Playful language makes the season fun. People say, "Are you on Santa's naughty list or nice list?" I feel like a kid again during Christmas. I'm in full holiday mode. I'm counting down the days. It doesn't feel like Christmas without snow. I need some Christmas cookies in my life. I'm losing track of what day it is. I've been wrapping gifts all night. I can't wait to open presents. I'm ready for all the holiday vibes. These expressions show lighthearted Christmas spirit. Now, I want you to imagine yourself walking into an American home on Christmas Day. The smell of cinnamon cookies, pine tree scent, laughter in the background, someone playing Christmas music like Jingle Bell Rock, kids running around, wrapping paper everywhere, and you walk in and confidently say, "Merry Christmas! Hey, the house looks beautiful. I love the decorations. Did you guys stay up late wrapping presents? Are you cooking Christmas dinner today? Everything smells amazing." Instantly, people like you. You sound natural. You sound native. You sound confident. This is why learning these lines matters. It's not just vocabulary, it's emotional expression. When you use these phrases, you connect with people. Americans appreciate when someone participates in their seasonal joy. So as you practice these phrases, try saying them with emotion. Warm voice, relaxed tone, maybe even a cheerful smile. Christmas English is not only about words, it's about feeling. And that's it. These were 100 real American English lines you can use during Christmas time. Practice them, use them with friends, coworkers, neighbors, and family, and speak with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below telling me which phrase felt the most natural to you. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.